If you tried to open Word and got this message, Windows cannot find. This issue may occur for any Office application and for other non-Office applications. Verify the file path. Navigate to the file path mentioned in the error message and see if the Winword.exe file is present. If it's missing, in that case, you may need to reinstall Microsoft Office. Open Run dialog box. Type regedit. Navigate to computer following key. Delete the folders of the apps that don't work. Delete this folder. Repair Microsoft Office. By taking the following actions, you can attempt to repair the Office installation. Launch the control panel. Select Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office under the installed programs list. Click Microsoft Office and choose Change or Repair. You are done. Thanks for watching.